Minal Patil. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, if you're like me, who is not so good at planning ahead and literally lives on last minute thingy, then this video is definitely for you. You should watch it till the end. Here's a list of 5 things that I am going to put forth that you can do for your mothers during lockdown and make her feel a little special on Mother's Day Eve. So, shall we? Let's begin. So, without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video straight. Now, materialistic चीज़ें तो है ही नहीं पिक्चर में, thanks to coronavirus and all this lockdown situation. So वो side में रख देते हैं. But there is so much more room to do something artistic, meaningful and thoughtful for your mothers this Mother's Day. So why not take it up and treat her? Now, number 1 could be cook a meal for her, like maybe lunch or dinner, anything that is feasible for you to do. Now, जो लोग ये excuse दे रहे हैं कि हमें तो आता ही नहीं, excuse me, YouTube will help you out with this. Go for it. Number 2 is bake a cake for her. Oh, she's gonna love it. And if you're a beginner into baking, then I have a video on my Instagram. I'll just link it in the description. You can check it out. It's as easy, इतना easy है, इतना simple है कि कोई 10-12 साल का बच्चा भी बना लेगा. So you all can definitely go ahead and watch it and make it for your mama. Number 3 is express your gratitude, guys. Yes, thank you बोलना बहुत छोटी चीज़ है, लेकिन इम्पैक्ट उसका बहुत बड़ा होता है. ट्रस्ट मी. नाउ दे से वर्ड्स आर वेरी पावरफुल एंड राइटली सो बिकॉज दे कैन क्रिएट अ मोमेंट. हम बहुत बार मम्मा वट एवर दे डू वी थैंकफुल. ऑब्वियसली वी आर ऑलवेज थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर वट एवर आवर मदर्स डू फॉर अस, यू नो, इन अ डे टू डे रूटीन. बट डू वी रियली कन्वे इट टू हर? आई डोंट थिंक सो. We take her for granted also कि हाँ मम्मा ही तो है. Take this opportunity, put your feelings into words, express your gratitude, express yourself, say thank you. Something as simple as thank you mama, thank you for doing everything for me, and you know, thank you for making me who I am today. I love you, I really do. Thank you so much. This simple statement is also going to work like boom. She'll cherish it for years to come, trust me. Number 4, this is quite interesting. Number 4 is take her down the memory lane. Maybe a photo collage or a video of your childhood images with her, or some cherished memories of yours with her. You know, you can make a video out of it, or a collage, anything, and present it to her. She'll love it. Number 5 is showcase your talent. If you're into arts, or if you have hobbies that include dancing, singing, instruments, art, sketching, or even DIY for that matter, just go ahead, do that for your mother. Make a memento of best mother in the world. She'll be more than proud to receive such gestures, you know, from us. If at all you're not into all of this, don't worry. You can always hum, you can always sing. Like singing तो हमारे अंदर ऐसे भरी है. Thanks to Bollywood, we're used to humming, aren't we? So hum a song for her. Like I'm gonna do that right now. तू कितनी प्यारी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी माँ, ओ माँ. I love you मम्मी. Thank you so much. तूच घडवलंयस मला. मी कधी बोलून दाखवत नाही किंवा बोलली नाही आहे तुला असं, पण थँक यू सो मच. आय लव यू. तू नसशील तर असं कावरी बावरी होऊन जाते. तुझ्याशी भांडण जरी झालं तरी असं माझं जग नुसतं हे होऊन जातं, असं हादरून जाते मी एकदम. मम्मा थँक्यू. मी आयुष्यभर आभारी राहणार आहे तुझी. तू मला एवढं स्ट्रॉंग बनवलं आहेस जे मी आहे आता. तू नसतीस तर मी पण नसती आणि मी एवढी स्ट्रॉंग नसती. जसं तू मला वाढवलंयस तसं तू जर नसतं केलंस माझ्यासाठी, नसतं स्ट्रिक्ट वागवलंस तर मी अशी अजिबातच नसती. म्हणून थँक्यू. आय लव्ह यू. हॅपी मदर्स डे. Lastly, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you liked it, please give it a big fat thumbs up and pass it on with your friends. Until next time, see ya.